In this video, let us see the architecture of 8051. In the last video, we have seen the internal block diagram of a CPU. In the previous video, we have seen how exactly the architecture of any CPU or any processor looks like. So now let us go into the details of our own the topic 8051 microcontroller. So first let us start with the architecture. So before going into the details, so let me tell you how one has to read this subject 8051. So you have to start with learning the features of microcontroller, architecture, pin diagram, instruction set. We already know what are the features of 8051. In the previous video, I already told you with the help of a table or column what are the features of 31, 51 and 52 also. And now in this video, let us start with the next one, that is architecture. So architecture of 8051 is already being explained by me. There is a video in my channel. So I suggest you to watch that particular video. The URL of that video is available in the description box below. So once go through that video and come back. So you have hope you have watched the part 1 video. Now let us see the part 2 and part 3 videos also. So in part 2 I explained the rest of the architecture, that is especially given in one particular textbook called Kenneth J. Ayala, the 8051 microcontroller by Kenneth J. Ayala. Actually this architecture varies from textbook to textbook. So if you follow the 8051 microcontroller for embedded systems by Majidi and Majidi, the architecture looks very simple. But if you follow the 8086 and 8051 by Akere, architecture looks somewhat complicated. So I prefer that Kenneth J. Ayala architecture is better when compared to the other two. So whatever that is comfortable, so one can draw that architecture. I already told you that the architecture is having three important parts in that. One is arithmetic and logical unit, then timing and control circuitry, and register set. So whatever the architecture you draw, make sure that these three are available in your diagram. So the part 2, which is given in, again the link of the part 2 is given in the description below. And also I suggest you to go through the part 3. Part 3 video explains about program status word. So first watch part 2, then again come back. I will tell you what is the importance of part 3 also. Welcome back. I hope you have watched part 1 and part 2. Now coming to the part 3 video. The part 3 video is about flag register. I explained in the previous video while we are discussing about internal block diagram of a CPU. There I explained you ALU is connected with flags. So this PSW is such a flag register for us. It is having some different flags inside that. So those flags will tell us the status of the CPU. So I already created a video of this part 3 also about PSW. Then I suggest you to go through that video and learn about each and every flag importance, and especially the register bank selection, how you can do the register bank selection also. It is being explained in the part 3 video. The link of part 3 is also given in the description below. So part 1, part 2 and part 3 together gives you the architecture of 8051. So hope the video is useful. This is not a single video. It includes 3 internal videos, which are the links of those 3 videos are given in description. Completely watch those 3 videos and then you will get a clarity of what is the architecture of 8051. So we will meet again with a new video. Until then, bye.